Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Luvme Hair. This wig is their Kinky Curly Glueless wig. I'll make sure I have all of the specific information listed in the description box down below. But this is a very quick throw on and go type of wig. It's a lace closure. It also does have a breathable wig cap. I'm going to show you guys all the different angles. I didn't add any type of baby hairs or anything like that. The most styling that I did to this wig is I basically just cut a little bit of layers in the front. I added some makeup on the lace, and I also did use a little bit of lace melting spray because the wig cap, per the usual, was way too big on me. But that's pretty much all I did, and I kept the curly hair routine at minimum. And you guys know I don't like to use a lot of curly hair products in my wigs anyways, so I kept it really basic. So this tutorial is going to be real quick and easy and simple to follow. Another thing is this lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that good stuff. And once again, the wig cap is pretty breathable, and it does have the adjustable elastic band inside of the wig cap anyways. So per the usual, I'm just giving you guys an unboxing. I'm going to give you some close-ups of this hair, the lace. They did send some goodies and all that as well. Then I'm going to add some foundation all over that lace and throw her on and just make sure everything is secure. And once again, I will be using some lace melting spray to secure this lace down because this wig cap was way too big on me. So unfortunately, I was not able to install this wig without using any type of product to secure the wig down. So just so you guys are aware. So I did this side off camera, you guys. I did go ahead and define the curls. Again, my curly hair routine is very simple, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did. I'm adding some water, and then I'm going to use a little bit of gel to really clump the hair. The only thing that I didn't show you guys on camera was me adding a little bit of layers on the hair, but I do show you that I do cut the ends of this wig as well. Sometimes with curly wigs, the ends could look real stringy, so I wanted to get rid of that. But other than that, that's all I did. Now the shedding wasn't as bad for a kinky curly unit. It was pretty like minimal to average, I will say. But just like I always preach to you guys, keep the styling on your curly hair wigs as minimal as possible. Don't put too much product in it. Don't do all that extra stuff with it. The lesser that you manipulate it and you mess with it, the more it will last. Okay, so I took off the elastic band and I also added some foundation on the lace. Here I'm just showing you guys that if you wanted to do a side part, you can. And I think it would actually look really cute with this unit as well. But once again, I kept it simple. I kept it as a middle part, so whatever you plan on doing with this wig unit, it's completely up to you, but I wanted to show you guys the minimal maintenance that you need. It did not take me a lot of time at all. Even with the curly hair routine, I kept it pretty simple, and as you guys can see, the hair is very defined, very flowy. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box down below. I will have all of the information listed there, including the direct link to this wig. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.